Welcome to the exciting world of ChatGPT. You might have heard that it's the talk of the town because of its groundbreaking language processing capabilities. Let's give you the rundown. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI that can generate text that reads like it's written by a human. Created by a team of researchers and engineers that's led by Ila Sutskever, a computer scientist and entrepreneur. Sutskever is the co-founder of OpenAI and is a leading expert in the field of artificial intelligence. Its success in natural language processing and its potential to change the way we use language-based technologies, like Google, making it a game-changer in the world of AI. So if you're interested in staying on the cutting edge of technology, keep an eye on ChatGPT, making it revolutionary. Welcome to WealthWire. Before we dive into the video, we'd be thrilled if you could hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay up to date on our future exciting videos. Your support means the world to us. Would you like to learn about a revolutionary language model that can assist you in various tasks? From summarization and answering questions to even helping you code? ChatGPT, also known as Google's enemy, is capable of performing a wide range of language tasks with a single model and makes it more efficient and cost-effective to use. Plus, it can be fine-tuned for specific tasks without the need to train a new model from scratch. How incredible is that? Get ready to be amazed by the endless possibilities of AI technology. ChatGPT is a game-changing system that uses deep learning algorithms to understand the intent behind a conversation and generate relevant responses. Not only is it capable of learning from conversations and understanding the context better than traditional chatbots, but it can also provide personalized answers for a more natural conversational experience. And if that wasn't enough, ChatGPT can even assist with investment research, generate and debug code, and virtually anything else you can imagine. This is just the beginning of what AI can do, so get excited for all the fascinating advancements to come. ChatGPT is not only a revolutionary language model, but can also be used as a personal assistant, weight loss plan guide, mental health support system, marketing and SEO strategist, and even as a tool to write movie scripts and essays. The possibilities are truly endless with ChatGPT. In fact, when it was released on November 30th, 2022, it took over the world instantly. It took only 5 days for ChatGPT to reach 1 million users, while it took Netflix 41 months, Facebook 10 months, and Instagram 2.5 months to reach that milestone. It's no wonder that OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, raised $1 billion from Microsoft in 2019 and is currently valued at $20 billion. ChatGPT is genuinely changing the game and is sure to put everyone out of business with its endless capabilities. ChatGPT is more than just a website. It's trained on billions of words all over the internet. The only flaw ChatGPT has is that it has limited knowledge up to 2021 and can't browse the web. So if you're not using ChatGPT, you're missing out on a lot of potential help from the AI chatbot. Many people are using ChatGPT for mental health support, saying it's better than any other mental health chat. The best part about it is the fact that it's free. All you need to do is sign up. Attention to all the students watching this video. Are you struggling with your homework, essays, or test preparations? ChatGPT has your back and can assist you with various academic tasks, making it the perfect resource for students. Moreover, ChatGPT can give you an answer within 30 seconds, making it easier to solve your homework and essays, but you didn't hear that from us. Need help with your fitness goals? ChatGPT can be your personal trainer. Simply provide your weight and age, and ChatGPT will calculate your total daily energy expenditure and provide in-depth information about calorie deficit and how you can lose up to 20 pounds within months. Plus, ChatGPT can create personalized meal plans for you based on your preferences. Just tell it what you do and don't like, and it will provide recipes that fit your needs. It's no wonder that ChatGPT is set to take over Google. It's such a fascinating and versatile program. What do you think? Will ChatGPT surpass Google in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. ChatGPT is quickly becoming the go-to choice for businesses looking to improve their customer service experiences. Its ability to provide more natural, human-like conversations sets it apart from traditional chatbots and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. So it's no surprise that ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has already been adopted by major companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, and is being used in a wide range of applications, including virtual assistants and customer service chatbots. So take advantage of the opportunity to enhance your business with the power of ChatGPT. As ChatGPT technology becomes more popular among businesses, it can eliminate many jobs by automating manual labor processes. For example, ChatGPT could replace copywriters by writing engaging posts, allowing companies to increase efficiency and productivity. While ChatGPT can do approximately 60% of what humans can do, its rapid response times, often under 30 seconds, make it a valuable asset to businesses. However, as more tasks become automated through the use of ChatGPT, it could lead to job losses in some sectors. Therefore, it's important to consider the potential impacts of this technology as more businesses adopt it in the future. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology website transforming how we humans interact with technology. This deep natural language processing can generate more natural conversations and better understand the intent behind conversations than any chatbot and search engine system. It's likely seen that ChatGPT will become the standard for natural language processing, replacing traditional chatbots and search engines and a more efficient way of communicating with technology. This is just the beginning when it comes to AI and its potential, and time will only tell what AI has in store for us. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Let us know in the comments below what caught your attention the most. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up to show your support. We hope you learned something new today. We'll see you next time. Take care.